We see a lot of rabbits in this area and turtle and what else you see, honey?
Squirrels.
Squirrels. No, squirrels is really a lot
Just
in
a
here.
box turtle.
Box turtle and
4 rabbits.
4 rabbits in this area. So cute. Daddy has a picture on it. Ganda, ganda. 4 yung nakita namin. Diba? Diba, Daddy? Diba, Daddy? Nakita natin rabbit.
Diba, Daddy?
Nakita namin ang rabbit dito. Madami palang rabbit dito sa lugar na to. Kaya yan. At saka may mga momos. Ang daming momos, oh.
The baby mumus.
The baby momos. The baby momos. Nadami nila, oh.
There's a lot of baby mumus.
Minsan, pero marami ditong ahas. Mga snakes dito, madami. Pero hindi, isang beses pa lang ako nakakita na malaking malaki.